Introduce features interest for TEANDE pressure washer 1850 psi electric pressure washer, 1.7 GPM, 1500 watt power washer for cleaning cars, houses, driveways, fences, patios, garden. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Why choose TEANDE 2021 New Style Mini Pressure Washer? Small body, great power. Aim it, cleaning it, you can't go wrong. 1850 psi, 1.7 GPM, 1500 watt power washer can easily wash away dirt, dust, and more. The foam mode can quickly wash your car or anything else. You can easily change the fan mode. There are narrow fan, wide fan, foam mode for you to choose. Choose the mode you want to use according to the actual situation. Proper working voice decibel will not make you feel irritated, and you can work more happily. The lock button of this water pressure washing machine is to prevent the spray gun from being accidentally engaged. When the button is in the locked state, the spray gun will be locked. TEANDE portable pressure washer, only 13 pounds, is economical and lightweight, easy to drag. This car washing machine can be moved easily and effortlessly. Equipped with 16.5 feet of sturdy pressure hose and 16 feet of power cord, the high-quality hose will not make you worry about water leakage, so you can have no worries. The long power cord allows you to reach areas where you might want to spray. It is very suitable for your cleaning needs, such as car washing, driveways, windows, garden furniture, boats, RVs and homes and more. Its widespread use will surprise you. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.